In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for keyword research. This is a quick way to generate keyword ideas for SEO, blog posts, or online content. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to generate keyword ideas. For example, I might type, "Give me keyword ideas for a blog about healthy recipes." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a list of related keywords and topic ideas based on the subject I provided. If I want more targeted keywords, I can add more details in the prompt. For example, I might type, "Give me long-tail keyword ideas for beginner workout routines." Claude can also help group keywords into categories or topic clusters, which can be useful when planning blog posts or website content. Once the keyword list is generated, I can copy the ideas and use them in my content planning or SEO tools. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for keyword research. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.